Stinky rat.
Now you appreciate me more.
Camera.
Good. Awesome. So take a step back a little bit.
You gotta put some love into it.
Look at that.
You make sure he
Very
gets
nice. Nice to hear. She's nice to hear. Good. Next person on up.
I get sloppy side.
I gotta start.
Yeah, he can hear. Some of our animals actually get some little stuff. Like Disney now. He hasn't learned that yet. But Maggie,
Because her cataracts get so bad she can't see.
oh no, actually she doesn't always knew it before you.
All right.
It's something that
Yeah, he was still right there. He's coming in for the teeth.
cataracts are actually common in COS and they go
Get someone chico there.
There you go. You can look at the camera. One more step. Have a seat on that bench right there for me.
So when we clap, they don't know that it's good?
They know. Sometimes in your voices, they can actually tell too. Like how your voice is pitched and stuff like that.
Good. You can stand right there for me. I believe.
He looks like he's part of the family.
Good. Awesome. Both of you here, no problem. Seat for me. You're welcome.
George.
Ladies, you two are together, right?
Yes.
You like it? Good girl. So thank you very much. How to bye. Having a step forward for me, please. You two step back. And then Axe, you there. There we go. Target. Good. Bungie. Axe, how old is she? 5 years old. There we go. Now we consider it also as adults for these animals. There we go. Yeah, you can touch it. Awesome. Yeah, you sexy and you know it. Hey, he said you got back, girl. Good. All right, now you're going to introduce yourself. Target, good. Footy, shake it on up, sir. Good. Target, good. Footy, shake it on up. Good. Girl, Charlotte up. There we go. Step back and let's give it up for her. Yeah, girl. He said you got back, so show her how you twerk it. Good. What do you have to say? She's going to call you later. See line. Bang! Good. There we go. You two step forward once again. There we go. And now we're going to check her teeth and feed her a fish. Inside. Target is open. Now these animals have anywhere from 34 to 38 teeth. They are black in color because of the natural bacteria. Good. They don't have enamel on their teeth like humans do. So you're going to hold it right here to the tail for me, please. Let it dangle. Fish. That one is a capelin. And now I'm going to give you a smell. Hold it right here to the tail. Very good. Fish. Oh, sir. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Two. Set me up the field. Target. Good. Down. And you're going to rub her gently for me. There we go. Nice and soft. Good. Over. There we go. There we go. Don't take a lure now. There we go. Gonna bring on out. Good girl. Follow. Look out. Good. I gotta give you a 10 for that job. Good. Very good. Adam, blow my big kiss. Wow. Good. Any questions so far about Charlotte? All right. So I need everybody to move forward for me, please. We're gonna dive up the water. You're gonna rub her down, avoiding space in hand. Inside. Here she comes. Target, please compliment my sea lion. She loves the compliments. Target, good. Rub down. There we go. Oh, ma'am, you missed it. Okay, don't worry. You get a second chance out.
Good job, Charlotte. You're so pretty.
Good. We're coming back with that, so please don't miss it this time around. Good girl, swim by. There we go. Target. There we go. Give it to her. You know they can hold their breath anywhere from 8 to 10 minutes. So, guys, since you want it, you're not done yet. Good. You like it? Good. He has a great sense of humor. There we go. Target. Ready, man. There we go. Good. Solo tongue. Good. There we go. There we go. Say bye-bye, guys. Thank you very much for choosing Sea Lion. That's not the bye-bye. Bye. You're sending the wrong message. Wait. Good. much, guys.